The Task Manager, the place to monitor the tasks, monitor system resources, and control startup apps. But if you've ever gone into the Task Manager and you want to select something that's running in the Task Manager, you'll notice that selecting something isn't so easy because it's fluid. It constantly changes. So when you hover your mouse to do a selection, it just moves and it's not where you wanted it. And that can get very annoying because if you want to select something for whatever purpose, step number one is to select that item. And if it's constantly moving, that gets to be hard to do. There's a very simple way to freeze the items in Task Manager. Just hold down the Control key. As you see right now, things move, and I can never get what I want to stay in the same place. But if I hit the Control key, now things are frozen. Nothing moves. I can go wherever I want, select what I want. So the next time you need to select an item in the Task Manager, simply depress the Control key and it freezes it. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.